Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, it's your girl Tynafey. So today I'm going to be showing you guys on how I made this wig. I had this hair for a long time, so I decided to turn it to a wig. I just got a wig cap and just turn it to a wig, and yeah, this is the result. I'm loving the outcome of this wig. There's a tutorial on how I made this wig on this video, so guys, just learn from it if you want to make yours yourself. It was very easy and not stressful. This is just the result, and I'm actually loving this wig right now. So guys, if you like this video and you like this kind of tutorials, please don't forget to hit that notification button down below on my channel if you want to see a new video of me. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below on my channel. I'll be catching you guys on my next YouTube video. Bye and stay blessed.